My life with Kinako in Nara. I visited Asuka Village in Nara Prefecture the other day. It is the birthplace of the centralized decree nation, and it's known that many palaces and historic sites of the Asuka period have been excavated. There are strict rules governing construction in this historic town, so you naturally feel this place is something different. First, I stopped by Michinoeki Asuka. You can find local foods and roadside stations like this shop located everywhere in Japan. I love visiting roadside stations because, there's definitely a chance to encounter new Kinako. Alright, I got some Kinako made in Asuka. Time for lunch. This is a restaurant that is famous for its local dish, such as kaki no hazushi, which is sushi wrapped by persimmon leaf, but my target is warabi mochi with Kinako. To be honest, I don't quite remember the taste of it. It was probably good. すいません. I took a long walk after lunch. Such a beautiful day. Interesting. I saw those mikan are sold at 100 yen per bag everywhere in Asuka Village. No security. Trust-based selling business model. Another mikan selling spot. I came here to eat kuzumochi, the Western Japan version. It's like pudding-like Japanese dessert made of arrowroot starch. There's another type of kuzumochi, Eastern Japan version, I would say, is made of fermenting wheat flour starch. They are different from each other, but the name is the same. So, this is arrowroot starch powder, made from this root. Wow, this is it. It expires only in 10 minutes. Having a relaxing time in the cafe, waiting for the kuzumochi. Here it comes. You see, totally different from the Eastern Japan version of kuzumochi, right? This is much softer. I love both. This Kinako tastes nice. Just one thing. I want more. Let me stop talking for a while and share some beautiful moments that I captured from here. This time I stayed at a minshuku named Wakaba. Minshuku is a private house providing bed and meals, like B&B. Another local dish, Asuka nabe, a Japanese stew-style dish. The host lady cooked it for me, and I had such a wonderful night with her and her husband.
これ動画奥さん映っても大丈夫ですか？顔やばい。顔良くないですか？
いや別に構わへん。
まずそんなあって。
すごい。若い人 人わかんないかもしれないけど
He used to make these buttons and that was his business. He shared his memory with us. Such a great couple with warm heart. I highly recommend that you stay at this Minshiku if you have a chance to visit Asuka Village. You have a special moment with them. Let's wrap up the first part of Nara trip. I will share more in the next video. Bye for now.